But this is more like your laboratory, where you just stand, it's like, okay, a little bit more, a little less, so that your mind really goes deep and deep, reconnecting with the body again. So what is it we're looking for in standing now at this stage, do you think? I mean, we've talked about the more physical aspects of it. So can you repeat those, what we're looking for?
The alignment.
Yes.
The openness.
Yeah, openness of the joints, right?
The letting go of the stagnation and the contraction points.
Yeah. And the fine-tuning of the stretch. Yeah, that's a very important one. Because this is where you open this framework and where you start going to this ideal stretch where your body has the feeling that it starts disappearing. Where that feeling is like, okay, now I provide this perfect framework from fascia where the energy can move most optimally and where your power can come out, but also where your mind can come on the feeling of energy and help guiding it down and spread evenly through the body.
Now we get stiller.
Yep.
The movement, when I stretch a little bit, it becomes less need to
pulse or move. Yeah. So when I say that, it does make sense, right? It's that what we're looking for in internal work is creating a pathway for energy to move and radiate, etc., in the best ways possible throughout your body, clearing stagnations along the way and just opening and opening. So that's why the fine-tuning of the fascia stretch is so important, because that's the pathway. This is the meridian system, by the way, as well. Is where you open the pathway for energy flow to go most smoothly, optimally. So think about the elastic body as being a riverbed for the energy streams. You know, as I stretch in the most optimal way, I get this feeling like, okay, now it's become connected, it becomes light, and now my mind on the fluid can move it as best as I can. It's like I provide this pathway. So when I think like, okay, that's it, this is for me too much, because this creates a stagnation. This is too much, but this is too slack. So it means like, oh, now it cannot travel optimally. Somewhere in between, there's a sweet spot for the elastic body where you feel like, oh wow, now it unifies, it becomes one, and now I get this feeling of everything uniting. And when you get to the life force feeling, you'll feel like, oh yeah, you know, this is where my body starts disappearing and opening. And that's the perfect tuning of the body. So you tune your body like a string instrument. Right? Like you're a bass player, so it's like, okay, you go there, it's like, okay, this is like when you tune towards the perfect pitch that you want, you never just turn and you're there. You go a little bit above, you could go a little bit below, and then you fine tune it until it's like you're in the zone. It's like ding 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 ding, and then it's there. You do the same for your body. So you're a complex set of springs, and these springs are the pathway for energy flow. So like a string instrument, like we've decided for the low E, that is a certain frequency, and this string sings the best, that's for your body the same. You have an optimal stretching of the string where the energy can flow the best. And it's up to you to find it. And then at a certain point you will feel, there it is. And now it's more maintaining, because you know there's always influence. So it's more like, oh, I lost it a little bit, oh, come back. Lost it a bit, come back. But what I'm not doing anymore is this. This is a different thing as we come more into pore breathing and start working with energy and moving energy through the system and create pathways like I want to move this energy. This is more like a study towards in yourself. It's like, okay, through standing still, we clear all noise out of the system, and we really get into the nitty-gritty of what is it actually that we're searching for. And then when we got that better, now we can start adding these same principles to movement as the body becomes stiller and more in this optimal stretch. And then as we start moving the energy through, it's like, oh yeah, but now it's optimal. The body starts disappearing. But this is more like your laboratory where you just stand, it's like, okay, a little bit more, a little less, so that your mind really goes deep and deep, reconnecting with the body again.